Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most exciting and practical product reviews to help you make informed choices. In today's episode, we're diving into what we believe is the best Christmas strobe lights fairy LED party supplies indoor, the Luditek 2-pack LED strobe lights with 48 LEDs, multi-color, sound-activated, and remote-controlled. Let's kick things off with the first impression. These lights may be compact in size, but don't let that fool you. The moment you plug them in, you're greeted with an impressive burst of vibrant, colorful flashes. Designed in a durable aluminum casing, each light comes with 48 ultra-bright LEDs that pack a punch. Whether it's a cozy indoor setup or a lively party room, these lights will instantly transform your space into a disco-like atmosphere. With 2 strobe lights included, you can place them on opposite ends of a room to maximize coverage and intensity. Using the included remote control, you can switch between static color strobe effects or dynamic cycles through 7 vivid colors: red, green, blue, white, orange, purple, and pink. It's like having a rainbow dance floor at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the sound-activated feature. This is where the Luditek strobe lights really shine, literally. When set to sound mode, the lights pulse and flash in sync with your music or any ambient sound. There's a dedicated knob to adjust the sensitivity, meaning you can tailor the lighting effects to respond gently to soft music or go full throttle with high-energy beats. It brings your party to life by making the lighting part of the rhythm. For those who want more control, the auto flash mode is fully customizable. There's another knob that lets you set the flashing speed, ranging from slow, gentle pulses to intense, rapid-fire strobe up to 20 flashes per second. Whether you're hosting a mellow karaoke night or a wild New Year's Eve bash, you can set the mood exactly the way you want. Installation is a breeze. Each light comes with a 4.9-foot power cord, giving you flexibility in placement. Simply plug in, set on a table or mount it as you wish, and you're good to go. The aluminum casing doesn't just make it look sleek, it also helps with heat dissipation, which is a thoughtful touch for long party nights. Let's not forget the usability. The lights are designed for intuitive operation. With one-touch control on the remote, you can power them on and off, switch between modes, and adjust the speed or sensitivity. All without having to bend down or touch the units. It's a user-friendly experience that's ideal for home parties where you want to focus on the fun, not the tech. When it comes to use cases, the Luditek LED strobe lights go beyond just holiday decor. Yes, they're perfect for Christmas with their vibrant colors and festive vibe, but they're also great for birthdays, dance parties, pajama parties, karaoke sessions, DJ nights, weddings, Halloween, and just about any celebration where you want to add a splash of colorful energy. Even if you're just decorating your room with a little extra flair, these lights can create a unique ambiance. If you're someone who hosts parties, loves music, enjoys decorating, or just wants to bring some extra color and excitement into your home, this is for you. It's also a great gift idea for the holiday season. Wrapping up, the Luditek 2-pack LED strobe lights deliver a strong mix of performance, versatility, and ease of use. The sound-activated and remote-controlled features make them stand out in their category, and the multi-color options add an immersive feel to any event. If you're ready to level up your party or holiday decor, this might just be the lighting upgrade you've been waiting for. That's all for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest recommendations. Thanks for watching, and let your next party shine bright with Luditek.